What drives us? We are driven by Bosch starters and alternators, reliably keeping vehicles moving. By engineers, developing efficient solutions, saving both resources and the environment. We are driven by technicians optimizing every single detail with pinpoint accuracy. Vehicle manufacturers around the world relying on us. And by simulating years of operation over just a few days. We are driven by our starters and alternators, achieving top performance, even under freezing temperatures. By the safety and reliability we provide, even under extreme conditions. We are driven by remanufactured parts meeting the same high-quality standards as new parts, and by more than 100 years of experience driving each and every Bosch starter and alternator. For a perfect start and a safe arrival for our customers, what drives you drives us.